I'll definitely have to film this in the daytime. But it says Macau Palace. It looks like it's like a really cool building. It looks beautiful. And I'll just kind of give you some context. So there's I don't know what. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So there's I don't know what this building is either, but there's like a light blue building. This will be nice in the daytime, but I can see some kind of cable cars that go behind it. And so there must be like a whole little world that's going to be built behind this, and it's looks really cool. Just for some context, this is the Lisboa Palace. I just drove a bike around it in my other video, and this this is closed until 2022. But it looks like I was wondering, there's all these entrances and exits. So I guess this one, I guess the reason they have that is because there's going to be just a lot of different stuff all across here, right? So yeah, this is the Macau Palace. This looks really cool. And it looks like there's something else over there, so we might just combine these two into one video just for some other context. That one is the Wynn Palace, and that's the MGM. And we're in Lisboa again. And I'm basically on a bike, and I'm just kind of checking stuff out at nighttime. I didn't really expect to be out at night like this, but I am. And it's a little bit hard to see. The lights are off of this, but yeah, I just didn't think there was anything over here. I wasn't really planning to come over here. If I would have known, I could have came in the daytime. But actually, I can still come over and let me find out. Hello. When does this open?
Not. I think it's not fixed up.
Oh, is this the same as that one? The same owner?
Yeah, same one. Yes.
Oh, okay. I think that one was like 2021.
Yes.
Because I think they have to wait until all the airplanes come back, right?
Yeah.
This looks really beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, so let's check this out. So, okay. Lisboeta. Huh. So yeah, that looks really beautiful. So I don't know, Lisboeta, and then, so I guess these are all together. I didn't expect this at all. Look at this. And then there's this other building over here. I think I saw the subway station has a spot that it doesn't use, and I think that's gonna drop people off over here, I think. Anyways, we got this quiet street, Lisboeta. I saw that one lady with a suitcase. I wonder if there's like 3 or 4 or 5 rooms that are open up there, 6 rooms. That could be like anybody, could be the employees that are working on this. Huh. Anyways, we're kind of just kind of checking stuff out. So maybe I'll throw this out in the video too, in the heading. And man, crazy. Anyways, we're just kind of cruising down the road. I will definitely oh, let's turn around and look at that. And it's so weird, there's no traffic. Nobody would come down here, right? And it says, I don't know if you can see that, but it's in French, Maison La Ocotan. And I'm just in the middle of the road, my bike. Anyways, I will definitely come by again in the daytime and just see what I can see with my camera. And we'll try to give you more information. But yeah, it's interesting. So anyways, we'll just end it there for that. And I just follow it down all the way to the end of the street. I don't even know what this is. It looks like I'm at a mountainside. That's incredible. And then this says, in memory of Dr. Stanley Ho, and then it has a little thing that says Lisboeta. So yeah, I would definitely have to come by here and explore and see what this is all about. And I'm pretty curious about what's in this little mountain. It's totally dark at nighttime, so I can't really see it, but I definitely need to explore this in the daytime. And I think the viewers would want to see this too, because this looks like it's going to be a big one. I just had no idea. Huh. So yeah, this is, maybe we'll just go all the way down. This is like a massive city block. Wow. Wow. Yeah, like, oh man, like what is up in those mountains? This area is really hard to, it's not very accessible for someone like me. I don't have a car, so I usually just take the bus everywhere. And it's really hard to get a bus over here, so usually you take a bus as close as you can get, and then you have to walk, you know, 40 minutes or whatever, because there's just no real reason to walk down here. But on a bike I can cruise by pretty quick. So anyways, this whole thing is Lisboeta, huh? Man, and that Macau palace, it looks, but all of it is going to be just frozen with the COVID 2019. Looks like there's some kind of, I gotta get down here in the daytime. And this is just ridiculously, wow. Look at that. There's a whole big space here. So there's Grand Lisboa is straight ahead, but this place says there's another name for it. It says can't read it. Indoor skydiving. Wow. Indoor skydiving. So that thing says indoor skydiving. Okay. So indoor skydiving, and then there's the City of Dreams. There's Grand Lisboa. So I don't know what this is going to be, but this is going to be a big space, and then this looks like a giant parking lot, I guess. Man. Okay, I have to explore here in the daytime. Anyways, I'm gonna just it's too dark to really film anymore, so I'll just explore, and if I see something really of interest, I'll do another video. But I think that might be it for this one. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.